Is your puppy kinda cute? Does he give a lot of boops? Does he think that he's the best? Even fluffier than the rest? Does he bark at everything? Does he hate it when you sing? Is your puppy kinda cute?
There's nothing cuter than cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Everybody loves these cute little puppies. Yeah. You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie.
Okay, find it. Yeah! Time to play some video game. Where's my TV? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Doze! Why do you have my TV outside, Doze? You could have just played it in my room. How did you even get it out here? Oh my gosh.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little mama, let me rub.
Don't be blue blue.
All right, Theo. Yes! Okay, Rocky, ready? Rocky, ready? Yes! All right, my turn, ready?
What in the fuck is this?
Oliver, are you gonna get a pup cup? Where is it, Ollie? Where is it? Is that it? Is that your pup cup? My goodness. Is that good, Ollie? Is that good?
Alright, I'm sorry, dog. Anything to be TikTok famous. 1, 2.
Noah, you throw that dog in the pool and you're going back to live with your mother.
Lucky bastard.
Yeah. Oh. I'm sorry.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right.
Yeah!
We're dogs.
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other.
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah.
We're totally dogs.
Yeah, both of us.
You can't not have the candle. You can't have it. No!
Love you. I love you. Hermes. I love you.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey. You're such a good singer. Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
I get her.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a...
Oh, him wet. You want something to eat?
Oh my God! Get down, Nate!
Sorry, I'm leaving. Here's a popsicle. Ah, Raja, not the whole thing. Take a bite. Good boy.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snick'em, spick'em.
You ever notice how you have that one friend that has no sense of personal boundaries? No matter what they do, they just cannot stay away from you?
Oh, yo, bro! Yo, Remy, control your dog, bro! Yo, control your dog, bro! He bit me, bro! It's got me.
Dude, do you know that people are calling you dog perfect?
Hey, bud, do you know where your ball is? Oh, no, okay, I found it. Hey, there you go.
Oh, you know, this is kind of gross. I don't really want it.
Good boy! Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo!
Give me a beer.
Go close the fridge. Go close it. Close it. Good girl.
Guys, so it's puppy feeding time, and since you were confused last time, I'm going to explain a little bit more this time. Puppies are 4 weeks old. I'm going to put them in here one by one. So as you can see, they can stand, they can walk, they can eat it on their own. They have teeth. They are 4 weeks old. They also do not drink water this young. They get enough of it in their food. They probably won't drink it for a few weeks. Daisy is still in here. She has her own bed. They have their own box, and she doesn't even try to get in there. Puppies are done eating. They usually walk around and poop and pee, and then it's time to clean them off. Daisy is always here to help clean them off. They're gonna hang out and play, probably take a nap, and then at 6 weeks they get softened food, and 8 weeks they're ready to go. Looks like we're gonna need a bigger bed.
Really cute. He's like, I want all the toys. I'm so funny. True.
Sit. Stay. Okay. Don't eat this. No. Okay, don't eat this. Okay, you promise? You promise? Be a good boy, okay? Stay. Don't eat it.